So this is half cup peanuts I've taken, raw peanuts. 200 for 2 minutes. Masala ingredients: 2 tablespoons of besan, there is gram flour, half a tablespoon of rice flour, salt to taste, turmeric powder, chili powder, and chaat masala. If you want, you can add before itself or later, it's optional. I'm going to add little water and make a paste of this. So 2 minutes of roasting is over. You see it's crunchy. Not fully, but it is roasted. So mix it thoroughly. The same method I've shown in making in microwave oven, and I've uploaded the video of the same. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil. This looks a bit watery. Actually, I can even make 1 cup in this because it's quite spacious, but I'm just showing making of half cup of masala peanuts. At 200, I'll keep for 3 minutes. So you can hear the sound, but it is still soft. I will keep for 1 more minute. You can hear the sound. It has fully absorbed all the masala which was coated. Allow it for standing for 5 minutes, and then we'll take it out. After standing time of 5 minutes, so in this second method, I'm going to take the same ingredients, but I'm going to raw peanuts in this. You can add spices as per your needs. In this I'm taking garam masala also. Much of the spices, very less quantity. So last time the water became more, so I'm going to add very carefully now. Because if the water is more, then you have to keep for more time. So now the paste is ready, masala paste is ready. To this I'm adding the half cup raw peanuts. This is not roasted. Now because it's raw, I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. So now after 10 minutes, I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of rice flour, 1 more teaspoon of oil. At this stage I can even add chaat masala. This is also optional. So So now I'll place it in the air fryer. And 100 for 5-6 minutes, and toss once in between. We'll keep for 6 minutes. So 3 minutes over. Let's see how it is. You can hear from the sound it's already becoming crunchy. So this is after 6 minutes. Leave it for some time. So after standing time of 5-10 minutes. So in this method also you get crunchy masala peanuts.